Here in front of me, I've got a 164 diorama parking garage. Bought it on Aliexpress. We'll leave a link in the description of where to buy, and we're going to find out if it's any good. I need a knife right here. It already starts really good with a very good packaging. I like that. Best is to do it like this. There we go. Okay, what do we got inside? Some protection. This is for the light. You can put that in a battery. Okay, and this is going there. Okay. Protection goes here. I think this is going to be pretty easy. Not damaging the diorama. Yeah, Fluffy is here. Hi, Fluffy. Hello. Okay. Yeah, this must be the top. Okay, here we got the base. Here we got the side. Of course, there is no manual how to put these pieces together. Let's see, this is the back. Okay, so we could have to put these, this one goes over here, right? Okay, so this is a square, and this here is not. Okay, but it fits. It fits. It must fit. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, now I have to put these. Okay, so I think here we have the line, and here we have a line. And it goes like this. This inside. Yep. And then we're going to use this one. Same right here. It's a very basic and simple diorama, but those basic and simple dioramas can be really, really good. So this is just white. It would be cool if they have also some parking lot on top of it. But no. Why? Huh? Why? Okay, I think it doesn't matter. Yes, yes. This here is the front, I think. Yeah, definitely is. Maybe I can do it like this. That's one. That's two. Three. floor. There we go. Okay, doesn't look bad. Then I had this piece right here. So I think this is going like this. And then you can close it. I'm not going to do that, but I like the idea. It has to be... Oh. But anyway, you get the idea, right? But that's not for me. Ah, now it's all loose again. Voila. So now the only thing we need to do now is make sure we get some light. So I have a battery right here. Let's do it like this. Plug this in. Put these two together. There's only one fit. Ah, so that's a lot of light. I like that. Do we have a car? Yes. Black Mercedes. A little bit of dust. Okay, that's one. Oh. Mitsubishi. Why not? And got this one right here. Okay, let's take the camera off the tripod. And we can see how it looks. Doesn't look bad at all. For photos, this is perfect. I like it. I'm going to pimp it with some grass. Very nice car. Oh, it's just a normal BMW. So yes, I'm going to pimp it with some green stuff, some grass, and then you will see the results back in a sec. So I did some modification, not much, just a little bit, some green there on top, some green there, here, right here, here in the corner, here in the front, and here on the left side with some flowers. Not much, but I think it's cool. I like some green. What do I think about this diorama? Well, for the price you have to pay, I think it's a very good diorama. Also very good light, so perfect for making photos. There are different variations, but like I said in the beginning, I will put a link in the description of where I bought it so you can look. And if you like one, you can buy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and I will see you soon. Bye.